Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic.
Describe a successful person who you once studied or worked with. You should say who this person is, when you studied or worked with this person, what did you do together, what did the person do to become successful, and explain how you felt about studying or working with this person. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about anyone that you have come across maybe in your school or college or maybe from your professional life like while working. So you can talk about anyone here, maybe your school friend or college friend who has now become quite successful in his or her career. Or maybe someone at work who has accomplished a lot in some of the projects and so that's why he or she was promoted to a higher position. So you can use any of these ideas for a question like this.
So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out.
Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I have come across different kinds of people in my personal and professional spheres of life, and today I would like to speak about my friend Reena, who is working as a lead chartered accountant at Deloitte. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Alright, so let's continue. I am friends with her since my 5th standard as we both shared similar interests and hence I found it easy to connect with her. Moreover, she had a great command over mathematics and always willingly shared easy tips and tricks to solve the lengthy equations and problems accurately and made the otherwise boring subject quite interesting. So, willingly means readily. Lengthy means long. So, we have used some better vocabulary words here, which will all increase our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Also, we have answered the first 3 questions, which is who this person is, when you studied or worked with this person, and what did you do together. We still have the last 2 questions remaining, which is what did the person do to become successful and explain how you felt about studying or working with this person. So let's answer those. Additionally, she had also deployed an effortless method to memorize all the algebraic formulas, and after adopting her way, I never made any errors in remembering them, which was quite challenging for me, and in fact, I developed a keen interest in the subject. So, again, effortless means easy, deployed means used, adopting her way means after using her way, challenging means difficult. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can also use it in your conversation. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, with a strong background, understanding and grasp in accounts, combined with a strong determination and efforts, she was able to secure a lucrative job at a leading multinational company and has reached the pinnacle of success. So, lucrative means very high paying. Pinnacle means the ultimate or the topmost point, the highest point. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, she is reliable, trustworthy, and willing to go above and beyond as well as she supported me whenever I needed assistance for my studies, and I am highly grateful to have a friend like her. So, reliable means someone you can depend upon, that means dependable. Assistance means help, and grateful is a better vocabulary word to say you are really thankful to her, to what she has done for you.
Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.